Hi, today we are in day 18 of doing Python question practice. Here's the question, the greatest of three numbers. Let's see. Given three numbers A, B, and C, find the greatest number among them. A is equals to 10, B is equals to 3, C is equals to 2. Okay, so we need to print a greatest number here among all of them. Okay, so from A, B, and C. So we'll write the if sentence here. If A is greater than B and A is greater than C, print A, and we'll copy this code here several times and we'll edit the B and here A. If B is greater than A and C, if C is greater than A and B. Okay, so let's see our code from running, compile and run. Oh, that's a mistake. Let's see what's a mistake. If C is greater than B and A, if B is greater than, okay. Oh, we need to do like this. Oh, sorry, my mistake. If B is greater, if B is greater, I mistakenly write a smaller one. Okay, now let's run this code. Let's see how it works. Okay, your output and expected output is now equal. Now let's submit it. Okay, so thank you for watching this and stay tuned, guys.